Stepper motors play an essential role in many automation control applications today. But have you ever experienced your stepper motor losing steps or skipping steps, especially at high speeds? Step loss can be one of the biggest headaches in motion control, leading to misalignment, inaccurate positioning, and reduced performance in your system. In this video, we'll explore why stepper motors lose steps, its serious impacts on your operations, and most importantly, how you can solve this issue for good, ensuring your automation runs smoothly and reliably. Let's start with the basics. A stepper motor operates by dividing a full rotation into small, discrete steps. The motor is designed to move one fixed step angle every time it receives a control pulse. With continuous pulses, the motor rotates smoothly and precisely. But sometimes the rotor doesn't keep up with the control signals. Step loss occurs when a stepper motor fails to move the exact number of steps commanded by the controller. This can lead to positioning errors, vibration, or even complete motor stall, jeopardizing your entire system's accuracy. For example, if your motor requires 30 pulses for one full rotation, with a step angle of 12 degrees, but after a pulse, the rotor rotates less than 12 degrees, that's step loss. Step loss isn't just an inconvenience. It creates real problems like precision failure in CNC machining errors, misaligned robotic arms, or ruined 3D prints, system crashes when complete loss of position requires emergency stops, costly downtime caused by production halts and wasted materials, and equipment damage due to repeated stalling that accelerates motor wear. Understanding why your stepper motor loses steps is the first step to fixing it. Here are the most common causes. Number 1. Excessive load. When the load exceeds the motor's rated torque capacity, the motor can't keep up, resulting in missed steps. Number 2. Unstable power supply. Power fluctuations or unstable voltage can disrupt control signals, causing step loss. Number 3. Insufficient drive voltage. If the drive voltage is below the rated value, the motor can't generate enough torque to move the load, especially at higher speeds. Number 4. Insufficient current supply. The current at startup can be much higher than the running current. If the driver's current is set too low, the motor may not start or accelerate properly, resulting in step loss. Number 5. Too fast acceleration or high speed. If the initial speed or acceleration is set too high, the motor may not have enough time to settle into each step, causing it to lose sync with the pulses. Number 6. Signal interference. Signal interference can corrupt pulse signals, leading to step loss. Signal interference can come from unshielded cables, electrical noise of nearby high-power equipment, or improper wiring. Number 7. Controller errors. Improper configuration of the controller parameters, like step angle, pulse frequency, or microstepping settings, can cause missed steps. Number 8. Programming errors. Logic mistakes, wrong execution order, or poor compensation routines in your PLC or controller program, especially when using timing belts, can lead to step loss. Number 9. Mechanical issues. If the motor's poles or windings are damaged or aged, or if couplings, gears, or lead screws are blocked or worn, the motor may lose steps. Now that we know the causes, let's discuss how to fix and prevent these issues. Number 1. Reduce load or upgrade your motor. Ensure your load does not exceed the motor's rated capacity. If needed and applicable, reduce the load or use a gearbox to lower the load. If the load cannot be reduced, consider upgrading to a higher torque or higher performance stepper motor. Number 2. Upgrade your power supply. Ensure proper current and voltage supply and provide a stable and clean power source for your motor. Insufficient output torque can lead to missed steps. To resolve this, increase the supplied current and voltage to provide the required torque. But you must do so carefully. Always use a current limiting driver that can both handle the higher voltage and limit the current to the motor's specs to prevent overheating and damage. It is also important to ensure the motor receives a stable supply voltage. This can be achieved by using regulated power supplies in combination with filters, voltage stabilizers, or UPS systems to keep the voltage consistent and free of electrical noise. Number 3. Right-size your motor and controller. Proper motor sizing, minimizing friction, and ensuring sufficient holding torque can prevent step loss. Choose motors and drivers that are suitable for your speed and torque requirements. High-quality drivers offer better performance and reliability. When resonance becomes an issue, integrating damping mechanisms can help reduce vibration and improve system stability. Consider using drivers with better stability, and advanced anti-resonance features can deliver optimal performance, minimizing the risk of step loss. Consult our technicians at ATO.com to match motors to your load. Number 4. Optimize controller and driver settings. Verify the drive settings and ensure they are compatible with the motor specifications. Ensure sufficient drive current, because if the drive current is set too low, your motor may not be able to produce enough torque. It's recommended to set the driver current at or slightly above the motor's rated peak current to ensure full confidence in operation. What's more, set step angle, speed, and acceleration parameters to match your application. Lower initial speed, for example under 1 revolution per sec if possible. Smooth out acceleration-deceleration curves. Use EDA tools to design optimal speed profiles. Moreover, insufficient acceleration-deceleration time can also increase the likelihood of step loss. To address this, just set longer ramp-up and ramp-down periods to give the motor enough time to respond to speed changes. Just as important, increase driver microstepping for better resolution. Microstepping increases the number of steps per revolution, improving resolution and reducing vibration. While a higher subdivision setting on the driver allows for smoother and more accurate motion, you need to be sure your driver and controller can handle the pulse rate. Number 5. Improve cooling. Equally important is ensuring proper cooling during operation. Running a stepper motor at higher voltages can cause it to generate more heat. You may need to add a cooling fan or improve ventilation to both the motor and the driver to prevent overheating. Number 6. Minimize electrical noise. First of all, you need to check all signal wiring for correct connections and potential noise sources. Keep motor wires away from signal or high voltage lines. Or, to enhance signal integrity, you'd better implement shielding measures to reduce external interference. For example, use shielded cables, ferrite cores, and proper grounding techniques for motor wiring. Alternatively, you can also add filters or use opto-isolated drivers to block out interference. Number 7. Refine software and programming. Ensure PLC programs are logically correct and executed in proper order. Carefully debug your PLC or motion controller code. Recalibrate if step loss occurs due to programming errors. Double-check step angle, pulse timing, and compensation routines in your software. Modify pulse logic or add delays if necessary. Add error compensation and fault detection routines. Number 8. Implement closed-loop control. Traditional stepper motors are open-loop and lack real-time feedback, leading to potential step loss. Consider adding encoders or other position feedback devices for closed-loop control. Closed-loop stepper systems automatically correct deviations, eliminating step loss and ensuring accuracy. With real-time feedback from encoders, the system can detect position errors and compensate automatically, virtually eliminating step loss. Taking it a step further, ATO's closed-loop stepper motors can auto-correct lost steps, ensuring zero step loss. Number 9. Regular maintenance. Regularly check the motor's poles, windings, and mechanical components for wear or damage. Replace any worn or damaged parts. Check for mechanical issues like binding or friction in the system that could impede smooth operation. Lubricate moving parts and rails, tighten couplings or other connections, resolve any mechanical blockages, and ensure proper alignment. In summary, step loss in stepper motors can be caused by multiple factors, and effective solutions depend on careful, case-by-case troubleshooting and adjustment. By systematically addressing these potential causes and implementing appropriate solutions, you can significantly reduce or eliminate step loss in stepper motors. If you know of any other causes or solutions for step loss in stepper motors, please share your insights in the comments below. If you're still experiencing step loss after these checks, the issue may be with the motor itself. Our integrated stepper solutions at ATO.com are designed to address and eliminate step loss issues, so you can focus on performance and innovation. If you need to upgrade or replace your stepper motor, ATO.com offers a full range of stepper motors, drivers, encoders, and accessories specifically rated for high speed, high precision, and high torque needs. Find detailed specs, pricing, and expert support on ATO.com, your one-stop shop for complete industrial automation solutions. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates and solutions to enhance your automation experience. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.